Hi, Devi.
Hi Grishma, how are
Hi.
you?
Yeah, doing good. Hi, team. Hi,
Team,
everyone.
Grishma, and when I got the messages, right,
Yeah,
Grishma, I think 4 months, Grishma, you can able to crack
two months.
2 months. Yes, this is another success story. Within
Yes,
2 months, Grishma cracked actually.
yes,
Grishma, we need a real motivation success story from your end because I need to molding these people cracking the offer letter in the September.
yeah. Got it,
Yes.
Devi. But first of all, I need to thank you for actually showing me a path to be a data engineer because I actually started with some random YouTube videos. I actually joined so many Instagram pages, everything I have joined.
Okay.
I was not getting an idea of how to jump or transition to this data engineering field.
Mhm.
So one, I still remember the day that I saw your advertisement, and I was not able to join that 11 a.m. meeting that you do for actually for a brief up. You make one video, right? That
Yes,
I was,
yes.
yeah, that I was not able to join. So
Okay.
Anjali actually contacted me and said, like, no issue. If you have not joined that, also you can be part of Vision Board. So
Okay.
Anjali was the first mentor actually, and I was
Uh-huh.
actually at the verge of laying off. I
Mhm.
was in bench,
Mhm.
and I was very determined. Like I need to have a transition. I don't want furthermore to be in my old organization because I was totally done. I was
Mhm.
I was an Informatica cloud developer, and that was like I didn't like that
All the
technology
time.
also.
Uh,
Even that is also any people in that can actually relate. Like it is
yes.
not having much future. There is no code. There is nothing to study. But
Mhm.
the random ETL things we are actually doing. So I just had a hands-on with data regarding ETL, SQL, everything. But other than that, I don't have much like what to do. So as Ganesh said, I was also a part of 45 days interview preparation.
Okay, you was
Yeah,
also there, right?
yes,
Okay,
for
okay.
batch 10. For
Uh-huh.
batch 10. So I was vigorously studying. So I was actually disturbing Anjali also. Like, I need a job very fast. What I need to do, connect me to Devi. Then Anjali told, like, see, we can't every time connect because I have not started my batch even.
Mhm.
I was actually every time continuously asking. So you told Anjali that ask her to start with project.
Mhm.
Since I was having a data background, you told to start with the project, and I completed those two projects in that batch 10. And
Yes.
then I started studying all the interview questions, and I do follow you in LinkedIn. I do follow you in Instagram. So all the interview questions, all the topics that you share, everything is actually very much needed for someone who is actually preparing for a data engineering interview.
Mhm.
Not only your page, but also what I did is like we are actually getting questions nowadays, like what is the recent
Ah,
advancement that happened in Databricks, like
yes.
addition of Mosaic AI, everything. So what I concentrated is like, as Ganesh said, when I'm studying something like, say, for example, partitioning, why
Mhm.
we need partitioning? What is actually need for this partitioning? If we are not doing partitioning, then what will it happen? So
Mhm.
every time I asked questions to myself, and then I was actually able to study. So it
Mhm.
was not a kind of like mugging up things, but
Yes.
we are actually studying for a reason,
Exactly.
which I didn't get for that Informatica cloud. Maybe that
Uh-huh.
technology is also good, anything, I don't know. But
Mhm.
I was actually not comfortable with that technology. But now I feel really satisfied that I am actually into some domain that is actually meaningful. That is
Mhm.
what I feel. So I'm really thankful to you, Devi, and the Vision Board as such.
Grishma, I think next to vendor list, I think we already share, right? We need to, whatever
Yeah.
you get, like, and this is
Yeah.
kind of a miracle and grateful things, whatever you did for the God also, right? Then
Yeah.
what will happen? We need to share and we need to help others success also. And
Correct. Correct.
automatically it will be comes to your life. I already suggest you, right?
Yeah.
Now you want to go for the AI and data science because
Data.
first portion you already completed
Yes. Yes.
from 100 percentage, right, Grishma? Of
Yes.
100% IQ got, right? More than
More
100
than
percent.
100,
More than
140, 140.
140. Grishma got 140 percentage hike within 2 months actually.
Yes.
Team, give a big congratulation actually in the okay
Thank you,
within
team.
2 months. So you have a potential, Grishma. If you focus like, and we can focus in the January hiring cycle now.
Sure,
After
sure,
the
Devi.
data and AI side, when you focusing, we need to focusing on the next gem, January, February. I will help you that one. I
Sure,
already told
sure.
you, right?
I will anyway join, Devi,
Yeah,
because
this is the
now,
way we need to
yeah,
be getting a better paid. Actually, 4.5 years of experience, this
yes,
much of salary is really good.
yeah, yeah. Thank
That
you,
is the
Devi.
one.
Thank you.
And I would say the Grishma is referred some, I think Deepak also, I think,
Yes,
for this is the true friend. I think we need to help him also.
yes, yes.
Uh, yes, so this is the one thing I can see in the people are congratulating Grishma. This is the one, this
Thank
kind
you
of
so
a
much.
community we need. Like, and we need to be focused more and helping others, attending like an interviews also.
Right, right,
Yes, so this is the one thing we need to get and package like a near to I think 17.5, right?
5. I was
Ah,
having 7.4 and
ah,
now I got 17.5. I
17 point.
actually got an counter offer. I
Ah,
got first 13.5 and secured 17.5.
team almost I would say 1 lakh, right, Rishma? Near to you can see team within 2 months only this transition.
Yes,
This is called a dedication and hard work with a disciplined manner. Okay, so Grishma has 4.5 years of experience.
experience, correct.
Okay, 4.5
Yes, I
years.
have kept the whole 4.5 as a data engineer.
Yes, this is kind of an informatica we are converting, like a kind of like many companies, not to Grishma. I think many people are telling us laid off. Grishma, to be honest, when I'm connecting to the people, like many people are telling me, Devi, I laid off, I have a gap, I'm not getting the calls. So issue with the they don't have a proper roadmap.
Roadmap.
Second thing, a mentor was not there, at least checking the resume, any kind of an
Yes,
issue.
that I forgot to mention. Like when I started searching for jobs and all,
Mhm.
before 2022, I started like searching for jobs. At that
Okay.
time, I was actually getting calls, but I was not able to crack the interview. But
Yes.
this time, with the help of Vision Board, your Naukri optimization, LinkedIn optimization, and resume optimization has helped me a lot.
Hmm.
Like
Hmm.
I was actually getting 2 to 3 calls. Now also, I'm actually getting calls.
After this thing also, right?
Yes,
You're
yes,
getting.
I'm
Yes.
getting.
So Grishma, I need your help to
Sure,
like and helping these people because we need to start the 30 days of interview preparation soon.
sure, Devi.
When whatever you learn, just share
Yeah,
with
yeah.
the people.
Sure, 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 Devi. I will.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
And Grishma, we can meet you soon. I will
yeah,
come to
yeah,
your home
yeah,
in the
yeah,
autumn season.
yeah, yeah. Sure, Devi.
So we can meet and I will be giving a gift also.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you, Devi.
Sure. Thanks, Grishma. Thank you
Yeah,
for
yeah,
your time.
yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Devi. Thank you, everyone. All the best, everyone.
Yeah. Then.